This is my Wilesco D457 vertical steam engine. I've just fired it up. Should be ready to about steam just about now. Just a test, and over to the regulator. Let's turn it on. Give the flywheel a quick spin, and away we go. The engine, this flywheel is coupled up to the Wilesco M56 workshop. As you can see, there is a drill in its stand, a pair of grinding wheels, and finally a bench saw. Just moving around with the engine running. I am in fact using a Bix 026 ceramic gas burner. Here you can see the cylinder holding the gas with its regulator, and the ceramic burner is inside. Normally the Wilescos come with solid fuel. This is the solid fuel burner if I wish to use that. As I say, using the ceramic burner at the moment. The cylinder is filled in this situation with the camping gas cylinder, which is a mixture of butane and